Good evening, everyone. So let's wait for everyone to join, then we'll start. So I think we are waiting for everyone to join right now, and then we'll start the session.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ayushi. I hope so. Everyone is done with the work which I have given it to you.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Anuj. Good evening. So I hope you're done with your work as well.
No, sir, because of some issue in the plant, the night also. I'm busy in the plant.
Okay.
That's why I'm not doing anything.
No, it's complete. So what about Saturday? Saturdays you're off?
Saturday, no, only Sunday is quite off.
Okay, only Sunday. Fine.
I will do today.
Yeah, sure. Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, good evening.
Yes. Chandrabhushan, your write-up is very fantastic actually. I just read it properly. It's really good.
Thanks, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. So now onwards, your timing of class would be from 6 to 7:30 only. Okay, we won't extend beyond 7:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And how about if we will take the doubt session on Monday instead of Saturday? Because I'm thinking because there are so many students have requested me that we are usually free on Saturday, so we can have a class on Saturday rather to have a doubt session. So Monday, we can consider as a doubt session, so it could be a breather for everyone.
Then Saturday is a class, sir?
No, I'm just planning to do so.
Okay.
Because even I'm just thinking, because Saturday is something, because most of the people are free usually.
Yeah.
Not you and Mr. Anuj.
Also in Sunday is also not free.
Yes.
3 hours come in the plan after the planning, because all employees, if not come the boss, then the problem. If the only 1 and 2 hours is sufficient for the energize to all them.
Yes. Very true.
That is the
Actually, Anuj is in one man army, na?
Yes. Fine. So I think how many of you have prepared with that write-ups? I think which I told you.
pardon. Hello.
How many of you just complete that write-up? Okay. That case which I have given it to you on Thursday or Friday, I think that screenshot. I think most of you have forget that to complete might be.
I had done, sir.
Okay, you have done. So you have write it down somewhere?
No, sir. I had sent it in PDF also.
You have sent it to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have received yours, and I think Chandrabhushan. Okay, I'll just share it, okay, on my screen. So Chandrabhushan, I think we can start with Ayushi, the youngest one in our class. I think we should give the priority to her.
Yes, sir. Not an issue, sir.
Yes. Just waiting for a few more minutes, okay, and then we'll start.
Sir.
Yes, please. I think you have completed, you have taken the Flipkart one, Ayushi, okay?
No, sir. Nestle.
Then Okay, okay. Flipkart is, I think, of.
I am
Yes,
taking
yes.
this.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry. I think I need to reveal the company. Okay, so let me share my screen and yeah, I'll share the assignment of. I think is it the assignment which is of
Yes, sir.
Ayushi. Okay, so I should waiting for 2 more minutes, I think, and then we'll start. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So even let me show that question as well, what exactly the question was. Okay, so that everyone must be clear exactly. Yes, this is the question actually. Okay, so let me show you all this content one by one. The exercise which I have given it to you, I think this is the one which I have given it to you, that you need to complete this out. Okay, because somehow you need to identify and adopt a company, find a company which having a very good, you could say, corporate structure. Okay, with that corporate structure, you need to identify the basic understanding about the company's goals, objectives, and their structure. Along with that, how the company has structured and how is the HR team in this company structure, first of all. Why do you think the HR team is structured this way, first of all? And you need to speculate what challenges which the HR team might face in the future when it's come to talent upfront. Okay, because that is the part of replacement we are talking right now. Clear? So this was the assignment. I think I have received only 2 inputs as of now. राहुल, ये वाला अटैचमेंट राहुल है आपके पास? देखिए, मंडे को सेंड किया मैंने. देखिए, एक्टिविटी फॉर अपकमिंग फ्राइडे, विल डिस्कस इट इन टुमारोज क्लास. देखिए, मैंने आपको टेक्स्ट किया है.
Yes.
है ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ. ठीक है.
I did some other.
Yes, yes, yes. No worries, Rahul. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, Ayushi, you can start now. I'm just sharing the screen, and please, you can start. And everyone, please, you are open to ask the question from Ayushi. 1 minute, Ayushi. I'm just sharing the screen. Is the screen visible? I think everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
So first
Yes,
of all,
sir.
Ayushi, just introduce the company first, and then we can start. Which company you have considered, and what is the organization structure you are talking about?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please. So which company have you chosen for this particular assignment?
Sir, Nestle.
Nestle. Okay. So
Yes.
can you please brief about what is Nestle is all about and what structure they follow? Yes, Ayushi, please be comfortable and speak up, please. No need to hesitate at all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As Nestle is a Swiss multinational food and drink company, the CEO is Wolfmark Skinder and founder is Henry Nestle. And
Okay.
it is founded in 1886. And as we have asked a question that we have to done with organization structure and HR team. And we have to give an answer that why the HR team of this company is structured in this way. So first is the organization structure of Nestle. As it is a multinational company, they have first is sales manager, then after zonal manager, zonal sales manager. It means that in every zone, nation is divided in zone, so that it is easy for them to sell the particular items. And after that, there is a regional manager. In under regional manager, there are 4 managers, that is customer service manager, area manager, system support executive, and event management. And in this way, this whole structure is designed so that in under customer service manager, any query related to customer is can be
Yes, continue.
can be solved. And under area manager, it suggests that according to area, there is a different manager, so that the need of a different area can be met by them. Then system support executive, it means that there is a different system, because same system cannot be applicable to all, so that different system manager can support the officers and can solve the query easily. And after that, event management suggests that for a different product and for a different event, that the particular manager can handle that particular events nicely, so that other manager doesn't involve in that and they can perform their task regularly and cleverly. After that, HR structure.
Okay.
Sir, can you please scroll down?
Yeah, sure.
As this is the HR structure of the Nestle, it is too complicated to understand. But as it is a multinational company, they have structured in this way. That is local shared services. Then after third party, then NBS. NBS means National Bureau Services. And after that, employee services. These are the 4 parts. As it is complex, but it can be understood easily, and they had structured this way so that it can be applicable flexibly. And each and every employees of the company and all the manager can understand this structure. And as it is multinational company, so that they can satisfy the need of all the customer according to their preference.
Very good. So just one question from you, that like when we are talking about this particular structure of Nestle you have picked, first of all, why we have this, you could say, broad structure? Because the question is that how this HR structure team is there. Now, the second question arises, why do you think the HR team is structured in this way?
Sir, as this all is my own answer, as I had understand from this structure. That it is a complex, but the principle is to implement in this flexible manner. And Nestle is a multinational company, so its structure is hybrid, no doubt, but the company is totally different, and it consistent in their own way, so that they can meet the needs and demand of the customer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I think if we can talk about this particular structure, we're discussing about most of the MNC, especially, we can say, okay.
Yes.
But then we discuss about the multinational organization, their division is very different actually. And they need to, even like we talk about the big brands as well, they do follow, you could say, this hierarchy, which is you have mentioned actually. Because somehow, in order to cater the need, in order to understand the market philosophy, in order to understand the market characteristics, you always need to start from the top to bottom approach. It is already top-down approach, basically, structure. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, last question, I think. Speculate possible challenges that the HR team in this business is confronted with on the talent front.
Yes, sir. Change management. First challenge is change management, which means that if there is a change in any management of the company, the HR team is also responsible for that. And it is bit a challenge for the HR management or HR structure to continue and to help the business to move forward. Next is leadership development. Leadership development suggests that HR professionals have expected to essential structure, that is where at time of recruitment, mainly responsible department is HR. So at the time of leadership also, for the best selection and to develop a best future leader, it is dependent on the HR. So it is also a challenge for HR team.
Okay. So, Ayushi, what any other you could say part which we can discuss regarding Nestle?
Sir, as I have gone under these 3 questions only for this company.
No, that is completely perfect. Actually, you really did a very hard work actually to search and to write down and to think upon such. First of all, it's very important because even the people are not trying to complete this particular query or this particular case which I've given you on Monday or Tuesday, I think so. So you have a sufficient time to complete that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's really very good work. Okay. Still, like I can say, somehow the content is perfect, definitely, which you have mentioned. But the more we definitely, because it is not in the part of a syllabus, the more you can learn from this particular, you could say, content or syllabus, that you need to understand a different type of structure as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that you can add in your Omni as well. So you can just learn a bit, you could say, a bit higher actually when it's come to, because that is definitely this Nestle is an MNC. We can say it is basically an international company, or we can say global company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In such a cases, we
Yes, sir.
have a very different structure which they follow. Okay. Somehow there's a structure which you have mentioned. Okay. So, like depends on the type of company, because as we discussed about the international company or a global company, which they have the headquarters actually situated at the origin origin country we can talk about, and definitely it is being operated according to the different nations. Because if the company is transnational or multi-domestic, in such a case, the
Yes,
structure
sir.
may also vary. Okay. And again, because we
Yes, sir.
actually include more things in that,
Yes.
because in the organization it may be possible that depends on the type of entry. Okay, like whether company is in FDI investment, joint ventures, acquisition, mergers, whatsoever. According to that, the structure of the company also vary. Okay, so structure we can consider that maybe you could say linear structure, linear,
Yes.
only one boss and subordinates. The structure may be staff and line organization structure. It may functional structure. Function means different department, like as you mentioned. This is called functional. See, this regional sales manager having 4 parts. It is called linear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called staff, line and staff.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm just telling you the example actually, what exactly you can learn more about this particular topic. Okay, then you can actually go for functional. Functional means basically like marketing, finance, HR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a function like customer service, area manager. This is called functional structure. Okay, and the structure which we are discussing right now
Okay,
is
sir.
basically called the hybrid
Yes, sir.
structure. It is basically called the hybrid structure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Great explanation, and like being in this age, being without any experience, you are really doing I think great work. I think any other comment from the class regarding this topic?
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic.
Yeah. Yes, it's really good work, because she is only I think recently has completed graduation, and doing such work is always appreciable, and we need to place that actually. It's very important. Okay, Ayushi, thank you so much, beta.
Very good, sir. Very good explanation, and also this sector.
Yes, definitely, sir. Because I was just giving her some more hints
Thank
regarding
you, sir.
the type of structure. Okay, so
Sir,
that
I don't have the time because I will do. No problem.
no, sir, I have a complaint from you actually. Okay. Yeah. So Chandrabhushan, I think we are starting with you. If you want, I'll hide the company. Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Not an issue. Not an issue.
Yes. So now starting with the Chandrabhushan. And I have only received 2 responses. It is not acceptable from the class actually, because I have already given it on Monday or Tuesday. So you have a sufficient time to complete.
Uh,
Anji.
okay. Now basically I am discussing about an e-commerce company which is an very reputed company in Indian market, and it is basically started its e-commerce company in 2018, and their model is B2C, yani business to customer. This was started by the established by the Benny Bansal and Sachin Bansal. It look like both are brother, but in actual they are
Chandrabhushan, yes, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's audible. I think in between it was not.
Okay, because there is a network issue now, so it's little bit of problem for that. So, however, they are dealing with a multiple segment like grocery, apparels, clothings, herbals and beauties product, daily users item, books and furnitures, even electronic gadgets also. In 2019, Benny Bansal and Sachin Bansal want to sell their company, major share of this company to an Flipkart, and this was sold on 2019 to the Walmart, and currently Walmart having 77% of the share of this Flipkart, and now we can say that Flipkart is an MNC company. Their their goal was uh, their goal was Flipkart current vision of to become an Amazon. Its main goal was to become an Amazon of India, and provides a delightful customer experience. Objective is to completely hassle-free shopping experience for best price in India. Their value is ABC, Audacity, Bias for Action, and customer first. Recently, they included one more vision called inclusion, means diversity. Their main focus is on to hire the diversity work group like EDEP, female hiring, and as a fixed percentage, they do the same. In my opinion, they follow the matrix structure which combines of divisional and functional. Divisional means like grocery, one division, and DC another division, non-large another division, MH another division, and functional means like HR department, operation, planning, finance, and so on. Different department also work there in same contingency. Sir, please. This is brief history for company.
Definitely, yes, definitely.
Next page, sir.
Yeah, sure.
This actually I will prepared in a very short time. So there is an or also made in an Libra office, which is not capable if you convert in doc. So there is an something missing in my compilation. And the HR structure is like in starting there is an CRO, then HR. HR here we can say under CHRO there is a senior director HR, which multiple department also report at senior director HR. These are vendor management team, center compliance team, HR BP team, LNT, license and permitting team for obtaining necessary license, IR, industrial relation team. From this, there is a different divisional function. Different divisional function report to HRBP, HRBP, like grocery HRBP, DC HRBP, and FCMH HRBP. And then comes zonal HRBP for each sanction. And under zonal HRBP, there is site HRBP, site TA, and site LND. Same in all three sections. And if you talk about the IR team, it is basically work as an help, or you can do an audit for HRBP if they are doing a doing as per the compliance, or they are not violating compliance, or also coordinating with the government, liaising with the government team.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the main function of IR team, and there an IR person is available only for an bigger site where more than you can say 2000 employees working, or 1500 to 2000 employee off role or on role is working in that in that particular branch. Only their IR personnel is available. But if you talk about the vendor management team, compliance team, and LNB team, they are the central team, and they are only support the HRBP for necessary compliance purpose, for obtaining license and permitting and aligning the new vendor.
Mm.
Major part who support the HRBP is IRT.
Perfect. Because
If
it's
we
very
talk about the
yeah. Mm-hmm. Please
if
continue.
you talk about this is why company is because this was not narrated, not right in my paragraph or
Mm.
in my project. I forgot to answer this question. actually actually this is the this is a bigger organization, and to handle such bigger manpower, around 30,000 of employee all over India working
Mm-hmm.
in this organization, and to handle this huge manpower, it's required, and you can say a classified and spectacular HR team required for this organization. So this structure is very helpful to
Mm-hmm.
manage the organization and manpower as well.
Perfect.
There is some pros and cons for this HR structure also, which is,
Mm.
sir, please move on.
Yeah, sure.
Pros and cons for these types of structure, like first we discuss about the advantage. What are the advantage of this structure? Every verticals know about where their responsibility. Like if we talk about the compliance team, they are responsible for obtain for maintain for responsible for compliance part of the organization. If you talk about LNP team, they are responsible for obtaining license for the organization. Any type of license can be obtained through LNP team. IR team is responsible for healthy and harmonious culture to be built in the in every branch, or you can
Mm-hmm.
say organization.
Mm.
HR play the main role, and the HR human resource planning and coordination with the operation team will done by the HRBP.
Okay.
All all trainings, and you can say grievance handling, all things will be done by the HRBP through off role or on role
Mm.
HRBP
Perfect.
team. Team easily there is an easy decision making for
Mm.
each and every person in the team. There is several checkpoint for HRBP also, if they are not doing perfect, or you can say if they are showing their attorney
Mm.
anarchy, they are like HR team also, compliance team also. If
Mm.
we can say that if HRBP go on round and say, oh, go outside, you don't come from tomorrow, in that case IR team and compliance team is available to question the HRBP. There is a disadvantage also. If there is an advantage, then definitely there is a disadvantage of every structure. Like this, there is an also disadvantage for this structure also. And this is the HRB. There is a problem for obtaining several work in the site level. HRB face huge problem as other department do not respond in time. If you talk about license and permit, if you talk about if required any site CLRA, and during in mid time, if LNP team is not responding on time
Mm.
to obtain the CLRA means Contract Labor Evaluation and Evaluation Act 1971. In
Mm.
that time, HRBP is unable to hire the required contract labor as per the requirement of you can say operation. Department is not allowed to do work on other function. If LNP team, same example I am caught here also, if requires to obtain an license and permit like SNE, HRBP is not allowed to go and file and go and obtain the SNE, shops and establishment registration. This will done by the LNP team, and this will hamper sometime work also. And due to this, sometimes site also the opening of site also get late.
Hmm.
In e-commerce company, the major challenge faced by the HRBP is AOP, annual operation plan, which is change, you can say, every day. Like today it's an 100, tomorrow it's an 50, again day after tomorrow it goes to 150. And this is the major challenge which faced by the HRBP. And there is a continuous process of hiring and firing. Like if you hired 150 and again tomorrow it's come down to 50, you have to fire the uh, your employee. And for that you have to follow government norms. And sometimes you can say employee also put several questions to
Hmm.
HRBP, why you have hired me, if you fired me in so early, or you can say in a week, or you can say in a 15 days.
Hmm. Hmm.
These are the few pros and cons of this you can say e-commerce company.
Yes, yes, definitely. It's very technical actually. You explained this particular topic, but it's really good actually because this company, like, because if we need to discuss, this is a very vast discussion actually on this particular topic.
Yes sir, yes sir, this is very
Yes,
vast.
very good
Very
work
only
actually.
little much of.
Yes, yes. So good work actually, like appreciable work. Yes, thank you, Chandrabhushan.
Thanks
Thank you
sir.
so much. So, what about other students? I think what is the status, Miss Poonam? What about you, Rahul?
So I have gone through Pfizer, but I was not able to prepare the PPTs. For
So, do you
Pfizer,
have the
I
content for that content?
so content presently I'm not having, sir.
Okay, okay. But please, I have a
So
humble
I will
request. Yeah,
so I will prepare the slide. Sure.
no. Actually, just you just simply need to prepare one Word file. I think I have given sufficient time to everyone. Okay,
So
and
I yesterday told na, sir, my brother is in a hospital. So I
mm,
have to look after him on phones for medicines and other things. So that's why my half the time is going in the hospitals. So,
no worries, ma'am.
so that's
Okay, just please take care.
yes, sir.
So I have a humble request of next time, please, because whenever I'm planning this work exercise and works only for you people, okay. So I just need the support from each and everyone so that the class should be more interactive.
No, sir, the work you are giving is very nice, and we are getting very motivated for
Mm-hmm.
about it because
But I need a
we are
copy.
getting a very
Hmm.
yes, sir. So you're giving a very nice work. I am also feeling it, sir.
Yeah, even like you people are qualitative actually. That's the reason discussion with you people are always actually the brainstorming session. Whenever we discuss on any topic, we always come out
Yes,
with
sir.
something new, something good actually, which might not be known to anyone in the class. So somehow it's a knowledge upgradation class, or on a daily basis we can say. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
that is what
So we
I'm
are
looking
learning
out for.
a lot about. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Fine, no worries then, I think so. So first of all, I'm just going to discuss one case study on recruitment because recruitment we have completely completed in the last session. Okay, but a minute. So we can discuss that first and then we'll start the selection part. So that at least, just a minute, please. Let me share that case study first of all. Just a minute, please. HRM. Yeah. So because we need to discuss two case studies now. Sorry, one case study now that is on recruitments. Okay. So I'm just sharing that case with you on WhatsApp itself. And then we'll move to selection. Fine. So I'm sharing the same Word file, okay? Economics, no, HRM case studies. Okay, yesterday I have, because this is the third case I think we are discussing, okay? No, fourth case. Yes, one more thing. What about the answer of this case, okay, which we were discussing in the last session? You didn't complete that too?
Sir, I had sent that also.
Yeah, I have received from you. I think I've received from few more students. Anji. Please, it is really disappointing actually because you are not doing the work properly. And I can understand, definitely most of you all are working actually. But still, we need to manage. Because hardly, I think, what I personally know, because this exercise hardly take, I think, half an hour, max to max half an hour for a day. If I'm not wrong, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it hardly take half an hour actually. Okay, no worries. I think I'm just sharing the case first of all with you. And I hope so you all have received the syllabus actually. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. I have the syllabus for that 11-month program and that 2 years program. Okay. So complete syllabus means that file I have actually the subjects which you need to cover up. Okay. So just a minute. Let me share this case first, I think so. And then we'll move further.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Ankit sir, I want to ask because we received a question paper. I think everyone must have received that first semester question papers.
Okay.
Okay. In that there is one form they have told that like we have to fill that, and it's written a date that we have to submit that answer sheets by the 25th of July.
Okay.
So I want to know that we have to fill the answers because there are some that are true false.
Okay.
And like how to fill that, like we have to present it, we have to make it in the question wise, or we have to open the same question paper, then we have to write their true false, and there are questions also containing marks like 10 marks and 8-mark questions. So how to fill that? And it's like all the papers we need to submit by 25, is it like that, or there is any guideline like we have to submit before that, or we have to submit any two on this date? Because they have just sent an email, they have sent the question papers, and it's written that we have to submit it by 25th of July. So I want to know, because if we have to submit it like that, so we have to now only we have to read, because all are like long questions. Obviously the question which is containing the 10 marks, so that needs more elaboration.
So I think we can do one thing. I think, can you please share me what exactly you have so that I can guide you regarding the same?
Yes, sir. Sure. I will share with in your email. It's okay.
Yeah, sure, definitely. You can email me.
So that because as you told, we are all working, so maybe we don't know, in the meantime we will forget, or sometimes we will get in between, because now COVID situation, anyone can get sick anytime. So it's better to finish whenever we will get time, one by one we can finish. So if we get the idea that how to fill it and how to do the question paper, so that we can start.
Sure. Definitely, you just send me on my mail, and definitely in the next class, I'll give you an idea what exactly we have to go, how exactly we need to proceed. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Pleasure.
I'll share.
So, student, I'm just also sharing that syllabus with you. Okay. I think I have shared the link of syllabus with you. Okay, if you can open that. So 11-month program and 2-year program. Both links I have shared with you, along with case study, the important part right now, which we need to discuss in the class. Okay. So might be you have received the case, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I think we can start discussion on that case study. Okay, let me open that case on my screen as well. It's a very, very simple case study regarding which is more important, recruiting or retaining. This case is based on recruitments. So yeah, this is the case we have. So giving you 10 minutes of time, I think far better. And I think I'm really disappointing today actually, because frankly speaking, because the work which I have given it to you, this case study, actually, you didn't complete that. Hardly I received, I think, very few answers, I think from Ayushi, from...
No, sir, next time will not happen this time.
Yes, sir, because I need the cooperation from everyone. At least
Okay, sir, because of some
yeah.
issue there, then not complete. But anyhow, definitely that one complete. Everyone.
Okay.
It is good, sir.
No, that is perfect then, I think.
Sir, I want to ask, every lecture there is coming that recording section. So every lecture is getting recorded.
Yes.
So where we can see this recorded?
IIBM website. IIBM YouTube channel.
IIBM YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So it will come with the dates, like it was yesterday's lecture. It was today's.
I'll show you 1 minute, please. I think I've already. I think I've already shown this.
Maybe sir, you have shown, but sometimes we are able to attend and sometimes not. So maybe we have missed.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, we are planning the thing that we are planning to have a session from Tuesday to Saturday, and we are keeping the you could say revision session or that doubt session on Monday. Okay. So that I think it would be easy for everyone. What I received from all the students.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think what you have to do, you need to go for this IIBM Institute of Business Management Delhi.
Okay.
You will find this symbol. Click on that. Okay. So as of now, if you remember, like this was the last session, I think so. Let me check. Selection, I think so. I think recruitment and selection, I think we have started in the last session only. So you will find, I think, all this content. Yeah, yesterday I think we discussed this part, head and tail. Okay, sir. For yesterday only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you will find all the lectures over here.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Now, one more question, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, please.
Actually, they have sent me books on my address for this course, but the problem was that time, like they told me they cannot, because I'm now residing in UAE. They told me that time they cannot send, like it's some issue, so they told that we can send in India. But since I cannot travel India this time, I was planning to travel in August, but now I won't be able. I don't know exactly, but if I can, I will try. But before that, the exams are their first semester. So I want to know that, is there any way that they can give me this books, like I can receive, because I have there is some way that I can receive the books in the online.
Online, definitely they might able to help.
Because I asked them to send me the I want that all whatever I have material, I want that online also, because there is no way to give them that any this pen drive or something so that they can put. So there should be some way so that I can get it online and I can get through wherever, because now if exams are there, so obviously I need to take a book or consult a book before writing anything, because everything we don't remember. I asked them before that I cannot get the things online. They told yes, but I don't know where and how.
So is it your 11-month course you have?
No, 2 year.
2 years course you have.
Yes, sir.
So which subjects you have in the first semester, which you have to give the exam right now, I think?
That's what I will tell you. I think you have sent me.
Is it the first semester?
Yeah, first semester. They sent me the question paper, which I told you, that is for the first semester. In that, there is human resources, marketing, organization.
And
These
PPM.
are the, yeah. For human resource management is the first paper. Second paper, they have sent me marketing management. Third one is the organizational behavior. And the fourth one is the principles and the practice of management. So these four they have sent me.
Okay. Fine. So I think what I can do, I can support you with the ebooks actually, because if, let us suppose, for example, we'll discuss in the case of the material is not being provided online.
Yeah.
So I can just give you an assistance in terms of e-material from my side as well.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
yes, because that will help me in solving these papers, because everything I cannot get in the I need to consult book, as I know. without going through books, I cannot answer most of the questions, because some are okay. We can manage like this, because yesterday I was just going through the papers, so I just check some maybe.
Yes, definitely. I'll do that. No worries. Fine.
And if you can share this for these four topics,
Yes,
if you can share the ebooks so
the
that
HR,
I can.
I think I already shared with you HRM.
Okay. Yes. HRM is there.
Marketing
Yes.
management, I think I have already shared with other students. Might be.
But I think, sir, I have received HRM. That is with me.
Okay. You have HRM, I think, with you. Marketing you have, I think so.
I'm checking, sir.
In the
Human resources management you have given me.
Marketing management you have, might be.
Human resources development, no. That no. Yes, marketing, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. That one.
Yeah.
Marketing management.
And Kotler, I think I've shared.
Yeah. Philip Kotler, Kevin, yes.
Yes. Okay. So this marketing you already have, HR you already have. You need for FM now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
FM, definitely I have to share with Mr. Anuj as well. So I'll do that. I'm just writing in my notebook. For today, I'll just share with everyone, okay? Because FM we already completed.
Okay, sir. That I will get the organizational behavior. This behavior in that.
OB I have also. I think we have already covered. I think Miss Poonam, you might have that. OB ebook I have also shared.
Yes, sir, we have covered.
Yeah, we have covered, and the ebooks I think I have already shared with you.
Organization, yes, sir.
Yes. So I think this is the important book I am sharing with you. I think this is marketing. Okay, so you might have received it now. Regarding OB, I will definitely share one book.
Okay.
So you know OB and FM. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So principle of management and OB, I think. Yeah, definitely. I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank
OB
you.
books I've already shared, I think, with many students. OB also. Okay, so I'll do one thing after the lecture. I'll share the ebook of OB and FM. Okay, with everyone.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
OB and FM. Fine.
And sir, I will send you that email which I have received for that questions, so that if you can guide
You
us,
just send it to me.
yeah,
Okay?
so that you can, if you can guide us that how to write the answers and how to like to get the best, at least to get the passing marks.
Definitely,
so that we will
definitely.
follow
No,
that.
don't worry, you will get very good marks. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What
Thank
if
you.
you have attended my classes? I think if even you will just go for the papers, you will be easily able to understand and get the marks. Okay.
Okay,
But
thank you, sir.
class attending is very, very
Sir.
important.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rahul, I think you want to say something. You raised your hand. And I can see so many new students today actually in the class. Mr. Arabic Lukman, and then we have Kuldeep Kumar, Nimmi.
Yes, sir.
Is it your first class?
First class, sir.
Okay, okay, Nimmi. Fine, fine, fine. So, Nimmi, you have 11-month program or 2 years program?
2 years program.
2 years program. Okay, fine. Okay, no worries. So, Nimi, I think we continue with this class and you also go through the recorded session because this is, I think, we have completed only 4 to 5 topics as of now of HRM.
Okay, sir.
Go through with all the topics and in case if you have any query, you can approach me. Fine?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, and guys, because actually we have already created one broadcasting group where I am sending all the details, all the books and everything. So you just text me on this number. Okay. So I'll also add you in the broadcasting group. Those who are new to the class today. Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes.
All right.
So Nimmi, Arabic, and who else are there in the class? Please note down this number and just text me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rahul, yes, please. Sorry for the interruption. Please tell me.
I write separately in WhatsApp.
Pardon?
Sir, I write separately in WhatsApp.
Okay, okay. You send me something. Rahul,
Thank you.
Rahul. No, Rahul, I think I didn't receive anything.
I will write, sir.
Okay, okay. Regarding that case study, I think.
The case study and some ebook. Same as discussed with
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Fine.
ceremony ebooks.
Sure, sure. Definitely, I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't worry.
Thank you.
So you are remaining only with FM and OB, I think so, or other books as well.
Just, I think maybe now OB and FM.
Okay, okay. So that I'll share with everyone, I think so. Okay, okay. Perfect, perfect.
FM, you said not today, sir?
FM, I'll share.
Hello?
I didn't share, I think, with anyone.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So financial management book, definitely I'll share because I have so many books actually. So I'll just give the one which might help you also. Okay. Because I think that class you should not miss actually because FM once we started, it is a practical subject. So even the recordings are there on the YouTube channel. So you just try to understand because it is my recorded session only. So you might be because it might be helpful, I think, for you people.
I learn from your lecture, sir. But the theoretical part needs some exercise.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So that's a different between live lecture actually, because if you attend a live lecture for practical subject, it is very, very helpful.
Yes, the numerical and all the things need the practice.
We can
That's why
we can plan the doubt sessions for that because we need to contact to IIBM first, and if they will actually give us 1 week of time for a doubt session, so definitely we can go through. But once you completed your end first.
Oh.
Okay. Fine, 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 students. Yes, I think I forget again regard we have to discuss the case study. Yes, I hope so. Everyone is done with the case. because I didn't complete actually. Sorry for that. Yes, Rahul, PPM is remaining actually because PPM is the next subject will start in the month of June. Okay. Are you done with the case, students? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can you please summarize, sir? I think I didn't read that case yet because of the discussion. Yeah, please, please.
Basically, sir, this regarding this case study, the controlling of the top management, that means up to general level, general manager level. It's not clear because general manager doesn't know all of things, and because of that, all things happened by with Mr. Sasidhar.
Okay.
Because Sasidhar is an open-minded person and also the talented person, and he worked nicely, also workloaded and all the things. But at the extreme level, after that he is think that leave the company. And this thing is not going up to the general manager. Because of that, general manager is surprised. Involvement of the general manager is required. All three questions is because if the general manager doesn't know openly, then in the ground, so many things happen.
Okay.
In the company.
Yes.
So basically, general manager must know down the level all the things, what is going on in my organization. This is a summary.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir.
Then after that, if the general manager know, then this will, because controlling only the in hand of the general manager in down the word.
Definitely, definitely.
Then general manager is the problem, sir. He is not interested in their work. Frankly, I am speaking.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Because the case is basically all about recruiting or retaining. Okay, because sometimes we always this dilemma in the frame of the, you could say, top management. We always need to face the dilemma actually in the market. And the case of Sasidhar actually, because the way he joined, the enthusiasm which he followed to join the company, and later on, slowly, gradually, he get to know about the reality of the company and how the employees are basically ill-treating him at various, you could say, course of action during the company's operation. Okay. Yes. And even like once he resigned, he was not convinced because he was actually very imbalanced when it comes to his family, social life, or even organization as well.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
So what prevented the general manager from appointing a committee?
Prevention is that the downward all the things knows
Yes.
and make some structure or some communication criteria how to control this one. After that, all thing is controlled.
Definitely, because somehow merely appointing a committee is not an idea or not a solution. Okay, there would be, you could say, certain you could say level of structure, or certain, you could say, balancing in the structure of the company, which should be with a clear line and authority or line and staffing to the organization. Okay, somehow what I personally think regarding this case study, the top management is not proactive and they are actually blindly trusting the might be the, you could say, the individual, those who are responsible to manage the company, what they
Down
also
the person.
yes, definitely they also need to contribute, they also need to look after about the company's affair periodically. So definitely I will consider the error in the top management as well.
This situation company collapse, sir. Like this situation always company collapse.
Actually, sir, when someone is scolded in open field in between their subordinates, then the person is feel very unhappy from their hearts. And in that situation, the person goes, if taken any decision against the company, no one can change their mind.
Definitely.
Because this situation is happening every time in our organization also. Where we have to intervene as an IR lead, we have to intervene there also. And even after repeated try to convince him, they not convinced, because they said that they scolded me in an openly in between my subordinates, which are ground staff also, they are executive also, and this feels very bad, and sometimes this creates an huge grievance. Here I think, in my opinion, when manager little bit of inquiry about the matter, he got everything. So he decided not to create a company, but in my opinion, he thinks that we have to improve their policy or organization policy between them. If someone is doing this or someone is found guilty in this situation, they have to be punished. In this situation can be improved, company situation can be improved.
That means that the top level is the culprit, na? Top level
top level is neglecting. They are not working as proactive, and they are not doing proactively. Neither monitoring, neither taking feedback from their juniors also. They have to take feedback meantime, sometimes through any other portal, like you can say, if they establish some portal or suggestion box through which they can take direct feedback from employee also, to restrict this type of.
Yes, but sir, sometimes right communication is not coming up to the top level. It is the
for that
structure part.
Anuj sir, so that I am saying that for breaking this chain, we have to implement suggestion box or implement a portal, so that this suggestion box can be open in front of management, and every point should be written.
Nowadays digitalization is coming, sir, directly.
Yes, I am also said for portal also, like Google Sheet, through which directly the report can be taken by the management, or complaint should be taken by the management also.
So better, I think we can say that it is more about the complacent approach, pointless approach of the top management towards the growth, towards the working of the organization. Okay, Anji, what is wrong with the recruitment policy of the company? Because as such, it is not mentioned in the case regarding recruitment policy, but how we can comment regarding this particular second question, recruitment policy?
Only the hike in salary was there, or the other policies related to job was not mentioned.
Okay.
Like Mr. Anuj, or I don't know the name. they told that
Chandrabhush.
if he was ill treated by the members, he should be punished. That type of policies was not mentioned.
Yes, definitely. So,
Yes, sir.
uh,
That
I
was
think,
that he explained
sir,
very nicely. Yes, sir.
I think,
yeah,
sir, one more thing in HR policy should be maintained that after 2-3 months, HR should directly connect it to the employee and take feedback about about the situation, what is happening in the ground.
hmm,
This should be also in HR policy
okay,
for new recruiters,
yes.
because in current situation, most of the company also followed after 3 months, 6 months,
Hmm.
or in mid time also they do a survey. HR do a survey to take a feedback from employee directly.
Yes, definitely. Because what I personally think, because it is mentioned regarding that the salary hike and by 5,000 rupees, somehow decisions cannot be contingent. It should be pre-planned. Okay. So that is because definitely there are certain decisions in the organization which may come on the basis of contingency, but salary hike or we can say certain decisions which might disturb the company's costing as well. That maybe you could say one of the you could say loopholes which they have, I think, into the recruitment process. Maybe I think one of the point we can consider.
I think,
Also,
sir, without getting
salary
hike,
hike is
nobody
not the
can join us,
solution.
sir.
Yeah, but the
I
High
usually
think, sir,
salary is not a solution, sir.
yes.
I think, sir, without giving hike, nobody can join
Hmm.
with
No.
from previous company also.
First, you think the technical side or the communication side,
Hmm.
sir.
No, sir. Salary hike is important because here is not defined how much hike is given. It's given 20%, 30, at least 20% is required to change any organization. If you can't get an hike, you can't change the company, na? You can't join new company. My point of view. This is my point of view.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes, sir. Even I will agree that hi, Shweta here. That
Yeah,
what
Shweta.
sir told. That it is definitely whenever we change, we also see the salary hike. Means
Hmm.
after a certain period of experience, everyone need a hike because that is actually the need for
Hmm.
which we do job, whatever job. That is one part of a life.
Hmm.
And secondly, like some sir told that there should be an open platform where employees keep. Many companies have that. They have HR people. They like suggestion box or online, but there no one write or say about anyone's name, because if you talk about someone seniors in the negative way, it will affect the person only, the employee only. So people actually don't do that. What they simply do, they find another job and they move on. So that is the point where number of employees moving from an organization becomes more than a range which they decide that the higher management should make a checkpoint that there's something is wrong in
Hmm.
between, and they should analyze it in that way, because no employee will speak directly.
Oh, maybe. I think so. Yeah, definitely. Your point is correct. But I think, like, what I personally think, because, like, whenever we talk about any standard organization or we talk about MNCs, okay, usually their hiring process is very different, okay, because, like, the case we were discussing right now in this part, that is about the hike of 5,000 or whatever it is, the salary hike is somehow because what I personally think, it is pre-decided actually before going for the drive. Okay, so somehow the company must need to be proactive in this in their approach as well regarding all such parameters. What I personally think actually, because there should be standardization in their process when it's come to giving salary
Yes,
hike.
sir. Yes, sir. While giving the salary, there is an bracket fix during job
Yes.
analysis that this person, for this position, we gave a salary bracket of 6 lakh to 7 lakh,
Mhm.
and between this, anybody falls, then will then also selected.
Hmm.
Not more than that, not less than that, will given to that person.
Yeah, because the
Now,
question
one
is
example.
basically all about the wrong recruitment policy. Because what I personally think, there is no proactiveness. There is no actually, we can say, a standardization in their policies when it's come to recruitment. Somehow these are the two basic words which actually define the lacunas or the loopholes into recruitment policies. As per my point of view. Okay.
It's correct, sir. Your side is correct.
Yeah, no, definitely, sir. Actually, like how the Chandra Bhushan Shweta has put up their point, definitely they are also correct. But that policy should not actually, we can say, persuasive. Okay, that is not uniformly we can apply. But in this case as well, definitely that thing might work. Or but in other cases, that thing may not work as well.
But sir, firstly, the criteria is first. After that, the salary.
Definitely.
Like criteria, I think also discussed during the time of hiring, na. Without criteria, without getting information of criteria and little bit of company information, you can't join any new organization. You must know the basic information regarding company policies, what perk you are getting, what salary, what leave, and what other benefit you can get. But you don't know after joining what types of policy can harm you. Neither HR will tell you. One incident I was just sharing with you in my earlier organization where I have joined. I joined and I during our training session I get to know that you can't take and leave more than 2 leave in a stretch. When the time I heard that you can't take a leave in a 2 leave in a stretch, I in the meantime I want to resign the organization, but I don't have any other option. I survived there for at least 6 months, and after that I changed the organization because this was the main reason. Main reason where I am changed the organization.
Because what I personally actually comment on this wrong recruitment policy, it is better to say that there are like lacunas and we discussed. The very important word which we can mention right now, the things are not streamlined. What I personally actually getting a reflection from this case studies. Okay. So the things are not streamlined. Actually, they are not looking after about the prospective or the job seekers actually in the company, the active job seekers. If we talk about, so some of the things are not streamlined, not standardized. Which what I personally think the major lacunas or the loopholes or the blunder we can say of this particular case or the case from the management side we can say.
Some extent the salary is okay, but in 90% cases, salary is not a correct thing, sir.
Definitely. Okay, last question, student. I think then why did Mr. Shashidhar resignation surprise the GM?
Actually, Shashidhar is working with great potential and doing most of the tasks. Even management give directly to some tasks to him, and he do it efficiently. And suddenly he get the resignation from Shashidhar. This was surprised the management, or you can say general manager also.
Definitely, because like the vision which the Shashidhar set at the beginning of at the commencement
at the time of interview,
because that is actually much suited and attracted to the top management, and they have actually expected they might have certain foresightedness with the Shashidhar that the company may revive, company may actually upgrade themselves in the near future. So that
and
might
also
be the variances which they have created or the disturbance which is being created because of the Shashidhar's resignation. And even though the important thing is that the reason behind resignation is basically not digestible for the top management. Okay, because they were blind at that time because they don't know what exactly going on the ground.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I hope so. It is the right explanation and the right way to explain this.
And sir, whenever any person gives resign, managers are always surprised. I don't know whether they are ready or not.
And even like this surprise is very actually funny when you are giving a resignation like after coming your salary.
And definitely now who will want their salary to get hold.
It is surprising.
They are always surprised, and that time their eyes get open. Before them, they know, but they are blind. They are known blinds sometimes.
It happens with me as well, because once I left few colleges in Mumbai, and I told them, not after salary actually, but actually I just told them because immediately within a week I have to shift to my place. So they were really shocked actually, because we're not manager, we have directors and principals in our colleges. So that is, I think, situation which happens with everyone.
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Shweta, you were not regular in the classes?
This week the workload was too high, so I was not able to join.
Yeah, because I need at least my few bunch of students actually, those who would be regular, and because there are very few who would interact actually. I know Shweta and Chandrabhushan, Ayushi actually is like doing very fantastic job. Poonam from the beginning of my classes, Rahul, so many other students actually. There's one more student I'm missing actually, that is from TCS. I forget the name actually. I don't know. I forget the name. She's also absent since long. Okay, but you should be regular actually, because things are very interesting and interactive during the sessions. Yes, please. Miss Poonam, you want to say something?
Yes, she was in the finance class.
Okay.
So I don't know the name of that.
Yes.
But she was very active in finance class.
Yeah, very active. Yes, because I think Miss Poonam, you are attending my class since start. I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or I remember actually about you. Okay, no worries. I think, students. So definitely I'm sharing, because tomorrow again we have a doubt session. So definitely we'll catch you on Monday, and we'll see about the next topic, that is selection now, next unit. Okay, and we'll complete selection on the Monday itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So please take care.
Okay, sir.
Weekends, and we'll see you on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir. Take care.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Take care. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Take care, everyone.